Well, thank you very much, Pat, and thanks to NORD for having Bear with this distinguished award. It's truly humbling to be a part of this group, to see so many people doing so many great things for such high unmet needs. And on behalf of Bear, I accept the award, but there's so many hundreds of people involved with the development of Adempas, many years in the making, and as Pat pointed out, the first product approved to treat two forms of pulmonary hypertension, two orphan indications, pulmonary arterial hypertension and chronic thromboembolic pulmonary hypertension. Unfortunately for that second one, we have an acronym that shortens it up a little bit. We use CTEF. It's such a mouthful to be able to get out. But what's important and what I'm particularly proud about with Bear is that we've really teamed up with our pulmonary hypertension center hospitals, our advocacy groups, and our CTEF surgery centers. And we've really worked to be able to do three things. Working very hard to drive increased disease awareness throughout the country, working also very hard alongside our partners to make sure that we drive early and correct diagnosis where we can. And last, we want to make sure that patients understand their treatment options. Because with CTEF, as Pat pointed out, we have a new medicine for it, but we also have a surgery that's available which could be potentially curable for some patients. It's very important that we get out and educate in all areas that we possibly can to make sure that patients are well informed. And so I say to my team all the time, how do we know if we're winning? How do we know if we're making great progress? We'll know because we'll have fewer patients asking the question, "Doctor, what's wrong with me?" We'll know we're winning when we have a lot more patients every day asking the question from a pulmonary hypertension center physician, "Doctor, what treatment options are right for me?" Well, thank you very much. Have a good evening.